Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of access failed on the application of Discord. You will go to settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When above here, you will search about the application of Discord and you will enter. Then this page you will click on first stop and you can click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.